Hey y'all, want to know how I got this finished look? Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from LUVME Hair. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. First, I would like to say, hey y'all, welcome. I see a lot of new subscribers. I truly appreciate y'all so much. I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to be talking about this wig, but I truly appreciate y'all for subscribing, even following me on Instagram. Like, y'all, we are at 20K. Are you insane? Are y'all insane? Y'all are insane. I appreciate y'all so much. So let's get back into this review. Yes, y'all see it. I see it. We all see it. That silicone wig grip is perfect if it was a different color. Obviously, if it was more of a nude tone, as far as my complexion goes. But yes, that wig grip is actually pretty perfect for a glueless install. So make sure you guys are picking up something like that. I'm so happy that LUVME Hair even put that in the box. But for this install, I will not be using that. So I decided to go in and curl up the hair. I wanted to calm those curls down just a little bit. As y'all can see, she already comes pre-bleached. Look at those knots. There isn't any knots. I really love that LUVME Hair is making this wig very beginner friendly. But this wig was very tedious because I was just so indecisive on what I wanted to do. So I was not really feeling that side part. Yeah, I don't know. I was just really indecisive about where I wanted it to go. As y'all can see, this is not a full frontal wig. Everything about those measurements, because I do not want to mess up the measurements in the actual video, will be in the description box below as well. So the wig to me came awkwardly styled just a little bit, but then I realized mid styling and putting her on, I was just going to change up this entire style. So y'all did see I was cutting, but I will be having a middle part instead. So instead of me cutting her all up, I wanted to kind of have it, a little even. Also, what I do regret is using all that product. So y'all see I am taking off that wig grip because baby, it's obvious at this point. We didn't need it. She's glued down. She's secure, y'all. So at this point, I hate that I had added so much product in my head. I literally put that wax stick in my head and then I put water in my head because I was really trying to flatten this out. Doing it the right way, I took the lazy girl way out. This is the right way before you add all that product. Section that hair out and go in and straighten her out and flatten her out. So right now I am cutting some face framing layers, just a little bit in the front, nothing too dramatic. And while I was looking at that, I was looking at this hairline. Yes, it comes pre-plucked, but for my opinion, I didn't like it. So I went in. I'm so bad, y'all. I could have did this before I even put this on top of my head. I really do not pluck my wigs while they're on my head. I like to do it on the mannequin so I can really get a grip, a good feel. But I mean, you know, I still made it work. So yes, that's one thing that I do regret. I should have definitely plucked this. I thought I was gonna get away with it, but it's all right, y'all. Overall, this hair from LUVME Hair is such the perfect wig for the fall. I really do love this short bob curly unit. If you want to add and freestyle your own type of curls, you can. If you want to pluck her, you can. I really do like how this lace was blending. Obviously, lace is still material, so you will be able to see it. But if people were seeing it too much, tell them to back up. You shouldn't be that close to see if I got a wig on. So yeah, tell people give you 5 feet. But yes, what I really loved about this hair was the color. I loved how this lace blended. It was so nice. I do love those highlights in the wig as well. The cap construction was everything. You see it came with the 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and adjustable straps. And it came with that adjustable elastic band in there. Now the cons that I had were cons that I did to the wig. I wish I did not put all that product in it because baby, she was giving greasy at the end. But I mean, some of y'all would probably be like, well, girl, I like hair that, has some shine to it. So maybe you like that. But I did not like how I put too much product in the wig. So that concludes today's video. I appreciate you guys for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all for actually subscribing and liking and sharing and just showing me so much love and support. I truly love y'all for real. I would like to thank LUVME Hair for sending me this unit. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.